Welcome guys to another video.
I've been recording.
Yeah, I kind of recorded very late. But we need a bomb.
We are trying to kill the spider, and then we're gonna go explore even deeper into the mines.
The spider's so... Hey, you...
I don't know why Hey, Logan, why would we need to keep out of here? It's just rocks.
Oh my god.
Ow!
Probably because of that.
Logan, when you hit me, I got so scared.
Wait.
Things were all stuck.
Wait,
and
do you know the spot? Do you know the spot that the spider can get us to?
Can't get us, no.
I know.
Okay, guys, one thing about the spider, this is for Logan's channel, because my channel already knows. The spider can feel our movements and it can...
Get over here!
I don't even know who you are! Still alive. You're dead.
I had a crossbow, bro.
Logan, literally only buy like a rocket or something. Just
I don't have a rocket.
okay, then just like quickly buy one or something to get down here, or just don't buy anything and just.
Want something? Want to go on a sewer run?
Yes, but you gotta grab either we go on a sewer run or we finish our
I'll just do the mining mission.
And then go.
Bro, I need my backpack. I had a freaking rocket launcher in that.
But first you need your crap.
Yeah.
There you are. Hey. Okay, Logan, we gotta go. It's just straightforward, right?
And he's right in front of us. Oh my god.
Try to punch him.
He's coming?
He's coming from this way. I'm facing my light towards it. Yep, told you.
Logan, do you have your crap?
Big!
Yes!
Let's go!
Okay, Logan.
Rocket launcher!
Okay, Logan.
Bro!
Logan, let's just. Logan, Logan, I know where it is. I know where it is. Or I think I do.
Go.
Look, found it. Logan, I saw
rocket
amethyst,
launcher.
but it's okay.
I see.
I saw amethyst, but I don't think we need it right now. We don't need it. Logan, we have to continue the mission. And then in part 2, we will like dig. Oh my god.
What the heck is... Ah! Bro!
Logan, I got through.
I can't move an inch.
Logan!
Where?
Logan!
What the Sigma?
Dead?
No.
Logan!
What?
This is a lot harder of an area.
Oh my god.
Logan,
big
is
rock
there a
guy.
spider back there coming too? Is there a spider from back
Big
there
rock
coming
guy.
too?
Big rock guy.
Where?
I say we go all the way down.
Do it! Oh
First pillar?
I hit a pole.
Give me that. Wait, no, give me that.
Do it.
I'll take that. I'll take it.
Okay. Logan, wait, I have an idea.
Huh. What?
I have an umbrella that I'm gonna put on myself. Okay. Logan, where are you? You ready?
Put up.
After you mine that. Okay, so Logan, my plan is after you mine that, jump to the next pole, okay?
Whoa. Okay.
Go!
No! You missed. You're cooked, bro.
Where are you?
Amethyst grinding. I got nothing. Belly, where are you? Nothing over here? Nothing here? Get your flashlight, bro. Can't see a thing.
I think we should hit the zip lines.
Yeah, we should hit it.
And then we should like hit this pole somehow. Ow!
No!
What is wrong with you?
Dingleberry! Amethyst! Wait, come here! Come over here! Come over here!
I see big guy. I see big guy up there.
Come over here! Right here! On this one! On this level! Come on this level!
Where are you? Oh,
Come on this level! I see a lot of things! I'm right here!
How am I supposed to get over there?
Swing yourself!
Hold up.
Swing and then let go!
I have an idea.
Nothing is over here. Nothing's over there. Swing yourself. Yes!
Come on.
Yes! Okay.
Are we going in here? We going in here? What are we even doing in here?
I don't know. There's a
I
spider
don't have a
in here,
weapon
though.
because you took mine.
There's a spider
Because
in
you
here.
took my
though.
weapon.
There's a spider
I'm
in
gonna
here.
go in here. I'm gonna go in here.
There's nothing over there.
Shoot.
There's lit.
I know.
This is the only thing. What are you doing?
I know. Hold on. Stay there.
Okay.
Stay there. I'm going through my backpack.
Logan,
What?
how do you like open the barrel on your revolver so you can
You can't.
much ammo I have?
I got a flashlight!
Big light. Wait, is that a big light or a flashlight?
It's a really good one.
Oh, it's the glow one.
Yeah, it's the glowy.
Not, yo, dude. I asked you a question.
What?
I want to know how to like open the barrel.
You
Yep.
spam the shoot button and the reload. You got nothing in there. You got nothing in there. Let me do it. Let me
No,
do
but
it.
how do you open the barrel? How do you open the barrel?
Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me
Just
do
how
it.
do you open it? Just tell me. No!
What?
The Hulk fell.
The Hulk? Oh,
The
my-
Hulk fell.
oh, we're cooked. You can't open it.
How do you? Then how are you supposed to reload?
You put ammo in there, dummy.
Okay. Oh, I have 2 bullets left. Am I
Shoot
hallucinating?
it. Shoot it. Shoot it.
It says I have 3 bullets left.
Let me have it. Let me have it. Let me have it. Let
Hold
me have
on.
Let me have it, you dummy. Go off. Let me have it.
Hold up.
Oh my golly, it will occur!
Give me my umbrella back, boy. Give me my umbrella back!
Oh my golly, it will occur! Oh my golly, King! Will occur! Oh my god. Oh my golly! Oh my golly, King! Will occur! I'm back.
I bet.
Give me the revolver.
Nah, my revolver. You already stole. Okay, I'm gonna go down for the Hulk. Are you coming with me for the Hulk?
Yeah.
What if it fell like on a ledge or something? Is it down there?
I don't see anything.
I think it may have despawned. It either
It did.
despawned or it went like down. It either despawned or like went down a ledge or something.
Oh, I see it!
Let's go!
Where's the flashlight? Where'd it go? Wait, oh.
Yeah. Where is your flashlight?
Right
Oh
here.
yeah, it floats.
Do I have a backpack? No.
No.
I can't
Okay, let's go
upwards.
up.
I can't go upwards. Put something in your backpack. might have messed up.
Logan!
I got it. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. No! No!
What did you do?
Logan! I'm back! Ugh. Okay, I'm done. Okay. No! Oh my frick.
Look, how are we supposed to get this back?
Don't worry. I got an idea. Don't worry, I got
Wait, I have
it.
an idea.
Don't worry, I got it.
I have a good idea.
No, I don't. You might be cooked. Oh, wait, right there. No! Frick. Bro!
You can hold my backpack. If you can hold my backpack, then I can get it.
Take this whole Buckster. I can get it.
I can get it!
No, I can get it.
Freaking backpacks.
Freaking god dang it. This game sucks.
Just hold my backpack!
No, I have it. It's close to a line. Frick. I got it.
No.
Got it, game winner.
No!
I need the Hulkbuster. Where is it? Where's the Hulkbuster?
It's in my backpack.
Okay, give me it. Oh my god. I'm
It's my
literally him.
Hulkbuster though.
I'm literally him.
Oh
Oh my god.
no! Did I get my umbrella or did it fall? Oh, shh! Oh, Hulkbuster.
Can you put this in your backpack?
The light?
Yeah. I can't hold on to the zip line.
Then I can't either.
Where do you want to go? Okay. I'm in a cave.
So which cave are we going into? Where are you?
Right here. I'm right. Ha ha ha. This one.
Hold up.
Oh my god. Spider.
What?
Wait, I got a research point.
Really? I need them way more than you do, bro. Have to admit. There's spider or anything? Oh, yep, there's spiders.
Yeah.
Maybe if you didn't take my freaking Hulkbuster! You took my Hulkbuster, can I at least have the crossbow?
What are you
actually,
gonna do with
Give
it?
me my Hulkbuster! I need the research points more than you do!
This is a crate, dummy.
Is it?
Yeah. Bro, how much does this want?
It's almost dead.
Finally. Oh, it's an A and B. What Rosie Spider be like? What? Freaking god dang it. I can get that.
Ow!
No, I cannot. Yeah, I can.
God.
Yeah, I can. Hold up.
Hold up.
Here to save the day. Take it.
Hey,
Okay. Turn it on.
I wonder if there's an even deeper
Oh,
place.
wait.
What is this? Oh, it's a
Respawn anchor.
Yeah.
I got a research point.
I need them way more than you do.
Bro, I need it more. So I can get the pickaxe
No,
and
you
everything.
don't.
Sword did the pickaxe and
Everything
everything.
unlocked! Thought you already had a pickaxe!
No, I don't.
Logan!
What?
What is this?
Deeper away? Oh my god, deeper. It's even deeper. Wait, more amethyst.
No. I need the research points way more than you ever need.
You can't break it.
I barely have anything unlocked!
And buy some.
I don't have money! I'm broke as hell!
God.
What do you mean good?
Hold up. Amethyst.
Are you sure this is deeper? Oh no, it's just nothing.
Oh wait, it's just nothing?
It's nothing.
Oh, more amethyst though.
Wait. Maybe there's something up there.
No, nothing.
I could get up there.
No, you can't. Oh my god. There's nothing up there. It's just where we already are.
No, trust.
Trust? Trust, low bro?
Oh.
Trust?
Oh.
What do you mean trust? Bruh.
Anything up here?
So I don't think anything's over here.
Where's this?
Can you get over here, please?
How big is this cave?
Deeper way.
I just.
Spitter!
No.
Spitter! I heard
Logan!
I heard Spitter move 1 inch.
I hit the web. Ow! What is your problem?
How low are you?
I'm one tap. Ow!
I don't think you're 1 tap low, bro.
Logan's hitting me! Logan, stop!
You're not gonna die! Who's
I'm
it?
one tap!
Bet if you're 1 tap.
He's the one hitting me. He's the one
Bet
hitting me.
if you're 1 tap, you're actually sick!
Logan, I would never kill you when you're 1 tap, so you shouldn't kill me.
Okay, fine. Come over here for deeper part, though. Come over here.
You hit me.
Deeper part.
You know what? Fine.
Wait, there's
Logan,
two-
if you kill me,
two
all
respawn.
of your viewers. If you kill me, all of your viewers will see it.
I have 0 viewers. No one watches my videos anyway. I found an iPad.
I hit spider.
There is 4 freaking spiders.
Give me the iPad. Where's the iPad? Where's the iPad?
Research point.
Where's the iPad?
I dropped it, you bumbo.
Where did you drop it?
You blind? Right here. I dropped it right here, you blindy.
Where? Where is it?
Right
Oh,
here.
there's that.
Are you blind? I just dropped it in your face.
There's a spider that way, Logan.
And that's the way we need to go.
This map sees the respawn anchor as an enemy.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh no, the map sees the freaking webs and respawn anchors as an enemy.
But there's no spider over here.
Huh.
Yeah, there's no spider. Get over here. Get over here. We got to-
I think we should go to a different cave than this one. We should go to a different.
No,
like,
wait,
area.
let's explore. Let's explore.
We've explored everything.
No, over here. I don't. Oh my god.
There's nothing over here. What happened to big guy and stuff? We gotta kill him. Oh, over here.
Hold on, where are you? Abort mission? Where the heck are you?
There's nothing.
I swear I saw a part somewhere.
I'm going this way.
That's the entrance.
Then let's go to a different cave.
There's no other caves except here. Wait, crate.
Where?
What do you think?
Can I have my Hulkbuster back?
What? How did you do it?
Yo! Ow!
Oh, I just heard him. Ah! Wait, I just...
Why'd you do that? I'm one
Hulk-
tap now.
The Hulkbuster does 0 damage, bro. Dummy.
No, it doesn't. It does a ton of damage.
Bro, I just got
Yo,
hit
Logan.
with it, and it took like 2 damage off me.
Logan, look, I can shoot the light. Ready?
Oh my god, that hurt me.
Oh god, spider! I heard spider. Did you
What?
hear that?
I heard him. We can't get the light. We're cooked.
Grab it! Grab it!
I can't. It's too hard to get up there.
How did you get it last time? How did you get it last time?
I don't know. Why'd
What do you mean
even
you don't
throw
know?
it? Why'd you even throw it?
I didn't throw it!
Why'd you,
Oh, you got it.
Why'd you throw it? Take it.
Yes! No!
There's no other caves than here.
Logan, look at this. I have a map that's a lot more visible than just being in my hand.
Wait, there's no
Plus, I can shoot it.
There's no other cave. There's no other
There's
cave.
gotta be.
There's
gotta
gotta
be.
No,
I know
there's
there's not any below, but
Yeah, there's nothing.
what about that blue light? What about that blue light down
It's
there?
nothing. And you're just gonna check it. That's great. Oh, look at that.
Something. It's something. It's something.
You sure?
It's nothing.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, the cave is there.
There is amethyst.
Yeah, I see that amethyst. I hate this game. What is this?
Where are you?
What the heck?
Oh, there you are.
Oh, now you want to throw me 450 miles. Yo, where are you? What the heck is this game?
Mom, what?
Oh, what the heck? What the heck? Let me go upwards.
Can I break it?
No. Bentley? Frick.
I fell.
There's 2 spiders over here. Can you please come over here? Oh.
I hope you remember. I don't have.
Ow! What the Sigma? Oh, another light! Wee-hee!
What did you just do?
No,
Logan?
the light's there, dummy. Where'd they put the thing? There's the crate! Oh,
The lights are the bro.
I see a big guy somewhere. Wait, abort mission. I think I see another way. Fly still. That's Sigma. Oh.
Logan, get over here.
Where's the Hulkbuster?
It's on your back in the crossbow. Logan, put the saddle on. I want to ride you.
No. Hey, yo.
I wanna put the
No. You're good.
put the saddle on. Put the saddle on.
Where is it? Where'd it go? Hulkbuster.
Put the saddle on.
Oh, Hulkbuster.
Put the saddle on. Ow!
It does like 0 damage, buddy.
Does a ton of damage, buddy.
Oh. Let me hit you 2
Put
times.
the saddle.
Let me hit you 2 times, and if you die, it does not do a lot. It does do a lot of damage.
Okay, just put on the saddle. Put on the saddle.
I want to.
Okay, then stop hitting me, because I don't want you to.
Well, it's not
Stop
my
hitting me.
responsibility to hit you.
It's not actually.
Give me. Fucking.
Oh,
Where'd it go?
wait, let me get on. Okay, let me on. Let me on. Let me on. Oh yeah.
Wait, hold on. I wonder if you can. Oh my god. You're still on me?
Yes.
Funny.
Are you really heavier?
I'll see a
Are you
spider
really-
over here.
Oh my, you see them? Oh shh. Oh my god.
Why did I leave so fast?
Oh my god.
Okay. Are you
gonna
still on
launch
my
the
back?
Buster at them?
Are you still on my back?
Totally. Totally.
Yeah, totally not. You're still on my back.
Dude, we're gonna get killed.
You're gonna die.
No! Do you want your friend to die?
No, not really.
And you'll be the one responsible for it? I don't think we've ever explored where I don't think we've ever explored like in that cave where they're coming from.
Can you die, please?
No!
Big guy. Oh my god.
Logan, we have to go back
Get
for
off
big
my
guy.
back, get
We have
off
to
my
go back. We have to go back for big guy. Big guy. Wait! I
Are you
missed!
on my back? You on my back?
Yep.
No. Can I go upwards, please?
Logan, I'm recentering myself in my room.
Whoop.
Well,
I see big guy right here.
oh no. We should go in the cave to where he's coming.
Oh, I see him.
Where is
Oh my
he?
god. Oh my god, hold up. Frick, no, let me on! No!
I'm not on your back! Hold on! Wait, how do you change which direction you're going? I'm not... Wait, how do you go up or down? Like I can't choose to go down or...
Did that hit you?
No!
I see a spider! Abort mission! Abort mission! Spider on the floor!
Why is there? How and why is there a spider on the floor?
I'm dying!
I found
Spider web.
I found another cave.
I wonder what it did. Oh my god.
Ow! Have we been here?
Amethyst cave! No.
We've never been here.
And still no research point. Holy. Wow, that is insane. No research. Bro, why? How rare is it to get a research point?
I'm gonna do this. You just take my. Rah! Rogan!
I'm one
You
shot.
just take. Fine. You're one shot.
Yeah.
You sure you're one shot?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on, prove it. Come here and prove it.
Well, how do I prove it?
Show me your watch. You are not no one shot.
Yeah, I am. What?
Ow! I have ammo now.
No, you don't.
I think I have like one bullet. I have one bullet. Have we been here before?
No.
Logan! Look at all the amethyst.
Yeah, there's a lot of amethyst.
What?
What happened? What happened? What? Huh? Bro, the stupid cobweb. What
My
happened?
poor
Oh my
revolver.
god.
How am I supposed to get this? How are we supposed to get this? Because if I go in the lava, I'm dead, right? Don't
Yeah.
you dare. How the Ow! Oh my god.
What?
No!
Oh my fuck.
It's gonna take me a while to get back, but I will get back.
Okay.
Stay near my stuff.
What about the spider?
Please stay near my stuff.
I am. Oh, come on. Stop giving me points. Give me research points. Dummy. Dummy. Dumma. I might can get your revolver back.
How? I was gonna like jump in, grab my backpack, get out, and then jump in again
Hold up.
to get the extra health, and then I would jump in again.
Got your revolver.
So you got my revolver.
Yeah, but I'm on the lava. And I can't reach any of the rocks. I'm out! I'm out! I'm out!
Because if you die,
And I got your backpack!
it takes a get.
You had 3 bullets in your your revolver, by the way.
Wait, are you dead?
No.
Only shoot if you need.
Yeah, you had 3 revolver bullets. I just wasted all of them. Ow, we mama. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw your revolver in the void.
Don't you?
How was that?
Don't you?
Pull him back up. I'm right here!
Where's my backpack?
On my back!
Where's my revolver? In the bag?
Oh my god. I don't know.
There's a rocket for you.
I don't know where the revolver is.
Oh, there's a rocket for you.
Where's your revolver?
Give me my money's gone.
I don't know where your revolver is, by the way.
I'm lagging so bad.
Same!
I'm gonna stop recording. I'm not lagging at all now that I stopped recording.
I'm still recording.
Well, it doesn't lag when you're not. Ow! Stop hitting me!
Well, the rocket's cooked. Yeah, I don't know where your revolver is.
How? Is it in here still?
No, I don't know.
Is this the right cave? No, this is where it came out of. Where's the cave that we went into? That you said. This one. Okay.
Help!
Okay.
What?
Are you fighting something?
No, I'm trying to get back up. I'll still the
Oh my god!
What?
I used a rocket to get up, and then I hit a wall, and now I fell back.
Finally. Got another saddle. No, I'm gonna go pee real quick.